Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error. You are running Create React app 5.0.1 which is behind the latest release 5.1.0. So I'm getting this error when I try to run npx create react app. So to solve this, the solution is simple. You're just going to run these two commands. First we are going to uninstall, and then by using this command we will install the latest version. So just copy this, and in the same terminal you can just run this, and that's it, it's done. And again we're just going to run this particular command. So it'll take some time, just be patient. Yeah, it's done. So now if I run the npx create react app, so as you can see here, it has started installing all the necessary packages and the react app is getting created. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.